So guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a vertical slime block flying machine. In another video, I showed you a horizontal one, and today we're doing the vertical, so see ya. Here we are again, and I'm just going to pop into a world, and we'll get started. What you need for today's video is 2 slime blocks, 2 sticky pistons, and 2 observers. To start, go up 1 block, face this, break this, slime block, sticky piston, slime block, and then sticky piston facing like that, and then on top of this one, place this way. Get yourself an immovable object. For survival players, a furnace is just fine, and then just build up how you'd like, and then I'd also have one right here with that extended tap. Break it. What just happened? Oh, I faced it. Sorry, put it the wrong way. You have to put it on this, and that should be it. So it went up, and if you get yourself a lamp and a button, and you do the same up here, you can add like a block or two off to the side of it, so that, and then make like a little elevator chamber and like stand here. Well, you wouldn't want it to be a slime block, but it can be anything. And well, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, and that's it. See you in the next video.